Welcome to Web Handling. My name is Dave Roysum. I am super excited to begin a new series I call Conversations in Web Handling. In this clip, I answer the question, do you need to know about web handling? Perhaps surprisingly, the answer does not depend on whether you are an operator or process engineer or product developer or work in the test lab, mechanical or electrical maintenance, sales or customer service, supervisor or plant manager. Any or all or none of these may need to know web handling. Instead, what matters is money. If the cost of web handling, waste, delay, and customer complaints is, say, only $1,000 per year on your machine, then you don't need to know about web handling. If the cost is $10,000 a year, then maybe. However, if the cost is $100,000 per year, then clearly you or someone needs to know about web handling. On some high productivity machines or plants with many machines, waste and delay can exceed $1 million per year, in which case a team of people should know about web handling. So the next question is what are some web handling, waste, delay, and customer complaint issues that might fall into these opportunity costs? These would include things like baggy webs, curl, length and width control, position control or registration, web breaks, winding defects, wrinkling, and more. It would not be surprising if in your plant you had many or most of these troubles. Indeed, it is quite likely that some of these troubles, such as wrinkling and winding, may be in the top causes of waste, delay, and customer complaints in your plant. So if you find that web handling troubles are expensive, then you or someone needs to know about web handling. The final question is then how do you learn about web handling? My answer is that by far the easiest and quickest and surest way is to literally go to school. For example, my award-winning and trademarked Web101 school has been taken by about 5,000 students, just like you. This training is available in public venues or in your plant or as videos on demand. See the show notes below for details. Learning by reading or books or articles is the hard way. Which of the 40 web handling books or PhD theses would you read? Which of the 4,000 columns or conference papers or articles would you read? Yes, they are great references, but they are not great training. The same thing with this all web handling channel on YouTube. Great reference, but not a great way to learn web handling. Finally, there is a really hard way to learn. That is by making mistakes in your plant. It would take 20 lifetimes to make enough mistakes to figure out what you needed to know about web handling. So do yourself a great big favor. Go to school.